Thousands of students, locals and interested observers converged on the Thames for the start of the 164th boat race between the universities of Oxford and Cambridge. For some, it was a chance to cheer on their friends who had sacrificed so much in the build-up to the race.
I know Spencer wakes up at 5 o'clock most days. Yeah, it's a big commitment.
It's basically you eat, you sleep, you row, and then you fit in your degree somehow as well.
Others saw it more as a social occasion.
Yeah, really good. It's getting better as I'm getting older.
Fan zones at Bishop's Park and Furnivall Gardens provided spectators with plenty of food and drink, as well as giving them the chance to watch the race in its entirety on a big screen.
Really good. River Thames was really good. Definitely recommend.
Yeah, the atmosphere is a nice atmosphere as opposed to certain other sporting events. So that was good.
Yeah, I think it was hosted really well. Definitely.
Despite Oxford's recent dominance of the event, it was Cambridge who achieved a clean sweep this time round, with the women winning by an emphatic 7 lengths. One former dark blue was magnanimous in defeat.
Disappointed, but it was a fair race. I think Cambridge were due to win.
The appetite for the event appears as strong as ever, and Oxford will already be looking to set the record straight in 2019.